Welcome to the Brookside Restoration Project. You are currently at the northern tip of the site, looking south. We'll check out the view from above the east and west lodges, man-made lakes, and we'll finish in the south, looking north. Then we'll head to the ground for a closer look. Located just outside Stanhill village, this 35-hectare site was purchased by Hyndburn Borough Council in 2022 in response to the climate emergency. Once home to the innovations of the early textile industry, Brookside now showcases grasslands, wetlands, woodland, and open water. Most of this woodland is just 20 years old, still quite young for trees. The high forest comprises mainly oak, ash, and Scots pine, with understory species including hazel, hawthorn, and elder. In the next shot, we will enter the site from the north and walk together towards the western lodges. The movement in this film is limited and lasts only about 30 seconds. Let's take a second to relax in the brook, and we'll continue on to our first lodge. Hey, you've made it! I think that's enough walking for now. Let's stop and take it all in. The Brookside Restoration Project is being delivered with support from partner organisations, with the initial development phase being led by local environmental charity, the Prospects Foundation. During the coming years, the 4 lodges and Lottis Brook will be managed and studied for water quality. The plants, animals, birds and fungi will be surveyed and accessibility will be improved, ensuring Brookside is a place for all to enjoy. We've taken some time at the Western Lodges. Now we'll explore one of the pathways east to visit the 4th lodge. The pink flowers you see here are a plant called Himalayan balsam, which presents a national challenge. It was introduced to the UK in 1839 and grows very vigorously in our climate, competing with our native plants. To find out about control methods and volunteering with the site, please see the team at Prospects Foundation. Brookside has a notable history. On this very site is where James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny for improved textile production in 1764. This history played a major role in the Industrial Revolution and has a foundational impact on our lives today. At Brookside in 2024, researchers made the first identification in the UK of a rare parasitic wasp, called Aphanistes klugii. This wasp exploits the pine hawk moth to reproduce. You can see the pine trees which may be hosting these species just to your right. Great! We're at the 4th lodge. These water bodies are man-made, and were developed to support the textile industry on site at that time. Now they are a haven for resident and migrating birds, although they seem to be elsewhere today. To finish our tour of the ground, let's check out this open, grassland area. Our final shot takes us high into the air, to fly across the site and to get a real bird's eye view. You are completely safe throughout. Do hold on to your chair for a sense of security. This once industrial site has been returned to nature for our community, our climate, our earth, and our future. Thank you very much for taking the time to visit Brookside with us. We hope you've enjoyed the experience, and we'd love for you to get involved in the future. Please talk to a member of our team for more information. Have a great day.